Okay, so hello again. Today I'm gonna try to fix a remote control. First of all, how we can see if the remote is working or not, that's a very simple way. Just grab your mobile, put it on the camera and press any button. You see the LED, it's over there in the top. We should see the LED, it's nothing there. I have to see what's happening. First of all, let's check the batteries. Step number 1. Let me grab my multimeter. Two volts. Yeah, the battery seems okay. And now let's test the current. So it's not only the voltage. Sometimes the voltage can be tricky. But if we put on ammeter and we test for amps, 1 amp, this is very good. Yeah, so the batteries are okay. Let's see how can I open this. Okay, I have a few tools over here, so let's try with the green one. So we have to find a vulnerability, and it's right here. Do we have any screws? No, there are no screws over here. Okay, there we go. And it's open. And let me look inside. It feels like liquid spelled on it. Oh yes, for sure. So we need to clean it up. Oh yes, here is the problem. Very simple. This should be tied together. These two. So what I have to do now is to put these things back together and just put a little bit of solder. I found the problem. This was very simple, really simple. But now we have a problem because I don't know if I can solder this. So this will be like that. Okay, so we're gonna try some other approach. We put this together. Let me try to clean it a little bit with some sandpaper. Okay, and then I grab a piece of wire. Okay, and let's try somehow to get this together. And here we are. But we have, that should be the right position. Doesn't look too nice, but I can tell you that it's working for sure. Now, TS 100. Flux. And solder. A lot of flux. Yes. It's looking good, isn't that? So, until this one is getting cold, let's clean up a little bit. And I'm gonna use some isopropylic alcohol and a piece of cloth. Okay. Okay. Now this is clean. And let's try a little bit in here too. That should be okay. Now this is clean, it's looking clean, perfect. Now it's time to put the things together. There we are. So this is the little piece I just soldered. Let's see if I can put it back in place. That should be okay. That should be perfect. Yes. A little bulky here, but it should be okay because the board is coming like this and doesn't hurt. Okay, that's the right position here. And let's clip it back again. Now let's check if it's working. So let's have the camera, it's on. Yes, look there, you can see that. Perfect. You see the LED blinking? So the job is done. This is perfect. Well, it was a very simple repair, in fact, absolutely simple, but sometimes that's really annoying when you have a remote like that and you can find a solution. And I think that's it for today. Thank you. Please like and subscribe, and until the next one, be safe. Bye bye.